911 emergency.
Yes, hi. I just had a guy with a knife come at me.
Okay, what is the address?
I'm on North Santa Fe and North Santa Fe and Melrose. I'm at a little restaurant.
Okay, North Santa Fe and Melrose. Is that in Oceanside?
It's in Vista. It's just
okay, I have the address. Give me just 1 minute. Okay, I have the call entered. Give me a description of the male. Is he white, black, Hispanic?
Hispanic.
What is his age? 20s, 30s, 40s?
He's probably 20s.
Okay, and height and weight, or best guess?
Probably 5'10".
What about weight?
Maybe 200.
Hair color?
Black, long down to his neck.
Okay.
Blue
what is he
jeans,
wearing? Very good.
Dark blue jeans, black shoes.
What about his shirt?
He's wearing a gray hoodie shirt.
Blue jeans, black shoes?
Blue jeans, black shoes.
Okay, where's the knife?
He has it on him. He was just coming up to me. He's acting very suspicious. Definitely on some drugs.
Okay, where are you?
I'm in my car. He just flattened my tire. He got.
What? Okay, what kind of vehicle are you in? Color, make, and model?
I'm in a black Pilot.
Black Toyota Highlander?
Black Honda Pilot.
Honda Pilot, sorry.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and you said that you're behind the location?
Yeah, I'm behind the location. I'm just smoking a cigarette back here.
Okay. And you... Okay. You said he's still there, right?
Yeah, he's coming up to the vehicle right now.
Okay. How many tires did he slash?
One tire.
Okay. Do you say he's under the influence of anything?
I would say so, yeah. Probably he looks like on meth or something.
Okay, any alcohol bottles seen at all, anything like that?
No, he has
Okay, any other weapons that you see besides that knife?
He's getting ready to punch another tire.
Okay.
He just popped another tire. And he's coming around with a knife.
Sheriff's Department! 70's now running through the residentials at Portia and Manor.
Running through the residentials at Portia and Manor.
Which way did he go?
Okay, we're all gonna be okay. You just need to drop the knife. I know you can do it, dude. I've made eye contact with you. I know you're a good dude. You're just having a bad day. That's okay. Bro, it's okay to have a bad day.
He's over by the chimney right now. I think we got him. He does have a, looks like a rifle.
Okay, as long as you make it okay, dude. The decision's yours. He's got a gun! Decision's yours. He's got a gun!
30 Paul Sam, he's got a gun.
30 Paul Sam, he's got a gun. Sam's got a gun. see a rifle, possibly a BB gun, but I'm sure it's not.
Hey, get cover!
There's a rifle, possibly a BB gun up here.
Who's got shields?
I got a shield. My car's over there, though.
Roddy, you got cover. Come back. Who's got shields?
30% they're on anytime opportunities, sir.
You got this? I'm gonna go look for a shield.
Yep.
Yeah, just want to 97. Just confirm he's over by the chimney right now. I think we got him. He does have a, looks like a rifle. He's going back under the awning, back side of the house. Just got off by here. He's on the porch.
Hey, we got one walking this way. So we may have one walking our way. Hey, drop it! Drop it! Drop it! Drop the gun!
Where is he?
He's behind the set. Shots fired!
Your fault, Sam. Shots fired. Shots fired. Shots
Hey,
fired.
Will?
Drop it, man! Drop it!
Will, where is he?
Drop the gun!
Your fault, Sam. Additional shots fired. Your fault, Sam. Shots fired. Shots fired. Shots fired. Both them additional shots fired. Initial shots fired. Someone at the front, give an update.
Street's north side of the house, northwest corner of the property. Currently down in a prone position.
King 1, we have limited odds from the front of the house. Can't see through the fence.
10-4. Northwest corner, currently down. Looks like there is blood. He is still moving right next to both. A knife and a firearm. Looks like a rifle.
Stand up.
Not sure yet. One of us is going to be rolling with them.
This is facing feet out.
Alright. So walk there, you can have a seat.
It's going to be for a...
Stay away. Yeah, we'll take a driver.
Got it.